We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming to prove it. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and knowledge and superior customer service can help you. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.